আমার প্রশ্ন to Gaurav Beriwal. Steel industry is very important for the economy, for infrastructure. How do you see the steel industry in West Bengal and your group's contribution?
Steel industry in West Bengal is not only very strong when you look at the national picture. Steel is one of those sectors where we actually have been, where the sun has continued to rise in the eastern belt of India is where steel production has been very, very strong. At least 50% of the steel mills in India belong to the eastern part of India. And this is because of a variety of factors. We have strong availability of raw materials. We have access to a port nearby. We have extremely robust demand from not just Eastern India, but because we have the ideal manufacturing setup here, we actually can cater to the rest of India and all over Southeast Asia from where we are. So steel has been a very, very robust sector for Eastern India and will continue to be so.
মিস্টার বেরিওয়ালের কাছে আসবো। মিস্টার বেরিওয়াল, স্টিলের ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের রাজ্যের বা আমাদের পূর্বাঞ্চলের যে সংস্থাগুলি, তারা কি প্রস্তুত যে অন্য রিজিয়নের যে সংস্থাগুলো আছে তাদের টেক অন করতে?
100%. There is no reason why any other region is more competitive than us or any other structural disadvantages are there for us. As a matter of fact, as I mentioned earlier, being in Bengal gives us unfair advantages. Not only do we have access to raw materials, skilled labor, ports, etc. We are catering to a market which has yet to achieve even 50-60% of its potential. There's so much potential for the market here itself. And the way I look at it is that if you're looking at how to be competitive with other companies, then you're losing the game, because the game, as Aditya had mentioned, is being obsessed with who your customer is and what can you deliver for them. And if your mindset is to find the right problem that you're solving, then you'll go down the path of, okay, can I send an engineer to my home builder's site and see how I can help them better? How can I guide them on the next steps? And that will not only make you competitive, it will give you more avenues for growth. So for example, when we spoke to the customers, we realized that within 1 to 1.5 years, about 80% of the homes were suffering with problems like damp. And that was simply because nobody guided the home builder on the importance of doing waterproofing at the time of construction itself. So then we launched a range of waterproofing solutions and said, okay, we'll go to each consumer at the time of building their home and we'll tell them exactly what to do, how to do it, so that this problem never comes up later. And this is how we grew into our next line of categories and so on.